Do you understand English but still hesitate when you have to speak? Do you pause too much, translate in your head, or feel nervous during simple conversations? That's because speaking needs active practice, not just listening. Today we'll practice shadowing. Shadowing means listening to a sentence and repeating it immediately, just like a shadow. This helps your brain, ears, and mouth work together, so your English becomes smooth, natural, and confident. Stay focused, repeat every sentence out loud, and don't worry about mistakes. These sentences help you speak confidently on calls, messages, and online conversations. I just saw your message. Sorry for the late reply. Repeat after me. I just saw your message. Sorry for the late reply. Great job, very natural. I was busy earlier, but I can talk now. Repeat after me. I was busy earlier, but I can talk now. Well done, smooth flow. Could you please repeat that? The line isn't very clear. Repeat after me. Could you please repeat that? The line isn't very clear. Excellent, clear and polite. Let me call you back in a few minutes. Repeat after me. Let me call you back in a few minutes. Nice work, confident tone. I'll send you the details over text. Repeat after me. I'll send you the details over text. Great, very natural English. I missed your call. Is everything okay? Repeat after me. I missed your call. Is everything okay? Well done, friendly and clear. Please give me a moment to check that. Repeat after me. Please give me a moment to check that. Excellent, professional tone. I'll get back to you once I have an update. Repeat after me. I'll get back to you once I have an update. Great job, smooth delivery. Thanks for letting me know in advance. Repeat after me. Thanks for letting me know in advance. Nice, very natural. Let's continue this conversation later. Repeat after me. Let's continue this conversation later. Perfect, confident finish. These sentences help you sound clear and confident when planning or changing plans. Are you free sometime this evening? Repeat after me. Are you free sometime this evening? Great start, clear and natural. Let's decide on a time that works for both of us. Repeat after me. Let's decide on a time that works for both of us. Well done, smooth rhythm. Something came up, so I might be a little late. Repeat after me. Something came up, so I might be a little late. Excellent. Very natural tone. Can we reschedule this for tomorrow? Repeat after me. Can we reschedule this for tomorrow? Nice job. Polite and clear. I'll confirm once everything is finalized. Repeat after me. I'll confirm once everything is finalized. Great, confident delivery. Let me check my schedule and get back to you. Repeat after me. Let me check my schedule and get back to you. Well done, very natural. I should be available after 6. Repeat after me. I should be available after 6. Excellent, short and clear. Let's keep it flexible for now. Repeat after me. Let's keep it flexible for now. Great job, smooth and confident. Does that time work for you? Repeat after me. Does that time work for you? Nice, very conversational. I'm looking forward to meeting you. Repeat after me. I'm looking forward to meeting you. Perfect. Warm and natural. These sentences help you express emotions clearly and naturally in English. I'm really happy with how things turned out. Repeat after me. I'm really happy with how things turned out. Beautiful, great expression. I wasn't expecting that, but I'm glad it happened. Repeat after me. I wasn't expecting that, but I'm glad it happened. Excellent, very natural. I feel a bit overwhelmed, but I'm managing. Repeat after me. I feel a bit overwhelmed, but I'm managing. Great job, calm and clear. That was frustrating, but I've learned from it. Repeat after me. That was frustrating, but I've learned from it. Well done, strong delivery. I appreciate you being honest with me. Repeat after me. I appreciate you being honest with me. Nice, warm and natural. I need some time to think about this. Repeat after me. I need some time to think about this. Excellent, very realistic. I'm proud of myself for trying. Repeat after me. I'm proud of myself for trying. Great, confident and clear. That really means a lot to me. Repeat after me. That really means a lot to me. Beautiful, nice emotion. I'm feeling more confident than before. Repeat after me. I'm feeling more confident than before. Excellent, strong tone. I'm excited to see what happens next. Repeat after me. I'm excited to see what happens next. Perfect. Wonderful finish. You did an amazing job today. Shadowing sentences like these will help your English become more fluent, natural, and confident. If this practice helped you, like the video, share it with someone learning English, and subscribe for more daily shadowing sessions. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next video.